Hey y'all, in today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I put on my closure wigs real fast, real simple. I don't like using glue because this shit'll pull your edges out. So I'm starting off using the Maybelline Fit Me powder. But this powder was too light, so I ended up switching to something else, as y'all will see in a minute. Alright, so I switched to the Black Radiance contour palette. I use medium to dark, and I just use the contour shade that's in the palette. And I just put it all over my cap, so whatever powder you got, whatever matches your skin color, just use that.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
Alright y'all, so I'm just showing y'all my wig. I made this wig myself using hair from my hairline. This is my deep wave hair. I used 2 bundles of 22-inch, 1 bundle of 20-inch, and a 20-inch closure. So yeah, I'm just about to put the wig on right now to position it and kind of see where I want it to be at on my head. Alright y'all, so I do have a widow's peak, so I don't mind it. It make my shit look so crazy. I should have shaded off, but I told myself I was gonna stop doing that. But yeah, I'm using the Lot of Body hair mousse to make sure my closure is flat. It's already pretty flat, but I just like to go in with it anyway. And y'all, when I put this mousse on, the curls just start popping out. They look so good. The hair looks so shiny, y'all. This hair is bum, so if y'all want some, I'm gonna leave the details in the description box. So you want to go ahead and take that same powder that you use on the cap and put it on the lace. Okay, baby, you want to look like skin, okay? Okay, y'all, so this step is optional. You can do it if you want to, but you won't have to. I don't think it actually worked for me. I just saw another girl on YouTube doing it. It's basically just putting the freeze spray on the lace to kind of seal in the powder. But yeah, it was my first time trying it.
By creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
Okay, right now I'm getting ready to actually go ahead and put the wig on. So the only thing I'm using is the freeze spray. I already told you I don't like to use the glue and the gel and all that stuff. So I'm literally only using the freeze spray. And you don't want it to dry completely before you put your wig on. You just want it to get like halfway dry, and this stuff dry super fast. So you can just fan it like I'm doing, or you can use blow dryer. If you do, it should take you no more than a minute. Literally, it dries so fast. So yeah. After this clip, I actually went off camera and used my blow dryer to dry it for a little bit after I put this second coat on. Okay, I'm back again. After I blow dried it with the blow dryer, I'm just placing on my head and using the end of the red tail comb and pressing into the freeze spray. And that is literally it, y'all. Like, it don't take that long. After I do this, y'all go see me wrap my scarf on. You can leave it on for like 10-15 minutes, however long you feel like you need. My scarf is so ratchet, y'all. Do not mind it. It was literally just some fabric that I cut up, okay? So this is after I took the scarf off. I'm just putting some more of that Lottie Body mousse in my hair, okay? And after this, y'all, I'm gonna attempt to do some baby hairs. I'm still learning how to do that, y'all. So I showed y'all how I did one side, but the shit was a mess, okay? So you don't have to do baby hairs. If you know how, you can. If you don't, this ain't the video you need to be watching to learn how to do that, okay? Alright, time to show y'all what not to do. Oh god, I'm so funny. I think I'm funny, y'all. So I just take a little bit of hair out. I've actually done them pretty good once before, but I ain't consistent. So yeah, I just take a little hair out, cut it, gel it down. So y'all will see. Alright, y'all, so this is pretty much it. I'm just going in with some more boost to try to define the curls. But I'm just going to pick up my spray bottle and do that. So, like I said before, y'all, this hair is bomb. So, if you want to know about it, it will be in the description box. If y'all have any video suggestions, comment down below and let me know. And like my video, subscribe to my channel, y'all, and leave me a comment.